Here you can see I am using two windows on my iPhone by splitting the iPhone screen. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel 99 Reviews. In this video, I am going to show you how to use split screen or dual windows on iPhone or iPad. So let's start the video. The first thing you have to do is open App Store and search split screen. Now download this application after downloading OpenID. And now you can see the screen is splitted to two windows and you are able to use two apps on single screen. If you are using iPad, then you can also split your screen to four parts, which is even more useful. For example, I am opening YouTube in one screen and Google Browser in second screen. And you can see I am able to use it easily. There is also an option to adjust the screen size, so you can also adjust your screen size as well. By following these steps, you can easily split your iPhone screen into two windows. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel 99 Reviews, and I will see you in the next one.